Hello everybody, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G smartphone, and let me demonstrate how you can set to Google Chrome as your default browser on this device. So first of all, we gotta go to the settings application. At the settings, scroll down until we stumble upon the apps and notifications category. Here go for the default apps. At the default apps page, we gotta choose the browser app, and basically all that it's left to do is to select Chrome, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. So that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!